Hey, so I quickly built a small application using Next.js to demonstrate Reading Protocol. So what I have built is a forecaster frame. It doesn't really matter. It's really just a web page to prove that you're a human. And I'll just hit next here, start here. It says there are two ways that you can prove that you're a human. Either you've taken more than one ride on Uber, or you have a Coinbase account. So I'm going to say, hey, I'm going to prove using Uber. Once I tap on that, I'm shown a QR code that I'm supposed to scan from my mobile phone. So I'll just put up my mobile phone over here. Before I actually scan this QR code, I'll quickly show you that I do not have Reclaim Protocol installed on my phone, right? So there's no app that needs to be installed. All that I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my camera and scan this guy. Cool. As soon as I scan, it takes me to this mini app where I'm asked to generate a proof on Uber. As soon as I tap on that, I'm taken to Uber's home screen to log in, and I'm going to log in here right now. Cool. So now I have logged in, and as soon as I log in, it starts generating this proof that I have 413 rides on Uber. It takes about 10 seconds and it generates the proof. And as soon as I hit submit over here, the proof will be submitted to my web app again. But before I do that, I'll quickly show that the status should currently say that I have not yet submitted a proof, right? I'm going to say check status here. It gives me some error basically saying that I have not yet submitted a proof. I'm going to hit submit here now, and let's say successful proof submission, which now means that the proof has been sent to my backend, and this should now reflect the fact that I've generated a proof. So now when I hit refresh, it should say that I have a successful verification that I am human. Cool, awesome. So now you can see that it has verified that I am a human by the basis that I have taken more than one ride on Uber, and there's a bunch of metadata associated with this demo app. But basically, it's telling me that I have been verified. The proof has been uploaded to the backend, probably stored on the backend as well. And yeah, that's about it. And all of this is less than maybe what? Let me show you less than 100 lines of code. And most of this is just, boilerplate stuff. So, really speaking, from here to here, that's what maybe 20 lines of code is all that you need to write. Thank you so much.